Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the TikTok login expired errors. So if TikTok keeps logging you out or showing this error, just follow along. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Next, fully close the TikTok app and reopen it. Sometimes a simpler restart fixes the issue. After that, go to your phone settings and check the date and time. Make sure set automatically is turned on. Now try updating TikTok from the App Store. An outdated app can often cause login problems. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for TikTok, and then tap on Update if it's available. If it still doesn't work, clear the app cache or reinstall the TikTok app. Also, make sure you're logging in with the correct method like email, phone number, Google, or Apple ID, the same one you used before. If you recently changed your password, try resetting it again and logging in fresh. If nothing works, it could be a temporary server issue, so wait a little and try again later. So that was how to fix TikTok login expired error easily. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.